Hello friends, myself Parmar Chetan and today I am going to discuss the VB.NET timer control. First I am giving the just a brief introduction about timer control. What is exactly use of this timer control? We know that in .NET each and every control have a event based. So whenever any event is fired, that particular code behind that event block is executed. But this timer is a special type of control which will be automatically fired at a certain time interval. So in any type of applications when we want these types of data, so it will be just like a refreshing your information at certain time interval. That time you can use a timer control. Okay, so it's a very simple control of VB.NET. So let's see how you can use this control in a .NET application. So here we first add new form. So add new item, then Windows form. Here Windows form, and here I'm just providing a timer demo. Okay, and say add. So our timer demo form is adding here. Now in this form, I trying to display a just like a digital clock type of simulator using this timer control. So for that I want one label control. So I'm using this label control. I'm just formatting it. So do that, and let's say I'm providing name LBL time, and here in font I'm bold and 16, so you can easily see the its value. What is this actually value will be displayed. Okay, now I'm just set the current time in this label whenever this form is loading. So I'm just double click on it. So timer demo form dot load, and here I'm just pressing this data. So LBL our name time dot text equal to date time dot now. Okay, this is the function of now inside date time. So it will be display a current date and time. Okay, so now let's reset its form to startup form. So properties and timer demo and say run. Okay, now you can see it will display current date and time, but it display a static information. You can see it here 5 o'clock 18 minutes and 46 seconds. It will be not running like our system clock. So when we want this type of data continuously running, that time we can use a timer control. Okay, so i'm I'm pressing timer control here. So you can find timer control is look like a watch like this timer, and just drag and drop. This is the special type of control which will be not residing in a form. You can see here it will be residing at that place. It's a status bar of this VB.NET. So now you just right click on it. Properties, it's have a very few properties available. The first is the name of type timer one, then enable. It's very important properties. It's by default is a false. Now you can set it to true. So it will be now in activation mode. Then this is the interval. So at which frequency interval you have to update its value. This by default it's 100 millisecond. If you want to change, you can change it. Okay, otherwise it's okay. 100 millisecond is okay for it. Okay, now you just double click on it timer one. So it's have only one property is timer tick event, and in this tick event you can write this code again dot text equal to date time dot now. That's it. Okay, now we just run the application. Okay, now you can see here this is the area. Now it's running continuously time just like our system. So it's very simple control, timer control. Whenever you want to display or fire refreshing any code continuously at certain time interval, that time you can use this type of control. It's a timer control. Okay, so I think you understand these timer controls, and it is very easy control. So again, thank you so much for watching me. And if you like this video, you can press the like button. You can subscribe also my channel and press the like bell button. So whenever uploading new video, you got the notifications about that. So once again, thank you so much and have a good day.